In this video, we are going to see how we can add the collaborators in our Google form so that the other people can interact with us or use the common form to get the information. It's a pretty quick and easy process here, guys. All you have to do is just open up that specific form that you want to share or add the collaborators to. And once you do that, you click on share button, which is this person icon on the top right hand corner. Click on that. And from here, you can add the email of that person from whom you want to share that form. I'll add this one, and either it can be an editor or the responder. You can click on that and you can share it. So you can share it just like this. And just remember that if you want them to create, view, and delete the information, you need to add them or edit the access to editor and then save it. Now the other person will immediately get an email and they should be able to open that form. Now, if you want to share a journal access with public, so what we can do is from restricted, we will change this journal access to anyone with this link, and then anyone with the link can edit or interact with the form. So you just copy the responder link, copy it here, you paste it on any public forum or let's say in the chat, and they should be able to interact with you. So that is how you can add the collaborators in Google Forms. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.